Well, since we're all about to go online, I thought we should have our first online assembly. I hope this finds you all settled and well wherever you all are. Now, all around the world, musicians are finding ways to use all this time we suddenly find ourselves with. The trombonist Peter Moore is recording an Arban study every day and sharing it on Instagram. The violinist Elena Urioste and her husband Tom Poster are taking requests for what to perform from their apartment in New York. Percussionists are multi-tracking Steve Reich. There are people giving open-air garden concerts. And all this, and it's only the first week of being at home. Musicians are incredibly resourceful. Now, more than ever, people need music. Now, one more thing. With everything on a screen, lessons, communication, friends, family, it's also so important that you put your devices away. Turn them off at night. Leave them alone for a few hours each day. The amazing thing about there being less traffic at the moment is how much more birdsong you can hear. So do yoga in the garden and listen to the birds. Set yourself a running challenge, a press-up challenge. Skip for 5 minutes every time you practice. Just don't sit at home staring at screens. Now, our departure from school was abrupt. We left on Friday lunchtime for a free weekend, expecting to see everyone again on Sunday evening. Well, that Sunday evening will come, just not for a little while. In the meantime, let's keep our community alive. Be kind, be supportive, be creative, be Chets.